Welcome to my channel. Remotely access Synology NAS. Log into your NAS. Use your browser to access your Synology NAS locally by entering its IP address. Set up QuickConnect. Go to Control Panel QuickConnect, enable it, and register your Synology account to generate a remote access ID. Enable Dynamic DNS, DDNS. In Control Panel External Access the DDNS, set up a free or custom hostname to remotely access your NAS without remembering an IP address. Configure port forwarding on your router. Log into your router's settings and forward ports 5000, HTTP, and 5001, HTTPS, to your NAS's internal IP to enable remote access. Enable HTTPS for secure access. In Control Panel Security certificate, configure and enable HTTPS to encrypt your connection when accessing the NAS remotely. Install VPN server. In the Package Center, install VPN server to allow secure remote connections via a VPN. Install Synology Drive Server. Download Synology Drive Server from the Package Center to sync files between your NAS and devices from anywhere. Download Synology mobile apps. Install apps like DS File or Synology Drive on your smartphone to manage and access your NAS remotely. Set up two-factor authentication. Go to Control Panel Security account and enable 2FA to add an extra layer of security to your NAS account. Test remote access. From an external network, try accessing your NAS using QuickConnect, DDNS, or VPN to ensure everything is working correctly and securely. Thank you for watching.